Hi, my name is Louis Poe. I'm one of the owners of LPS Direct. We're over here in Old Bethpage, New York. So this project is quite unique in the sense that the customer actually came to us with a problem, right? It's a common problem actually. He had a kitchen, he just bought a home, and his kitchen was a little bit tight, a little bit dreary, and it was very dark. So he came to us in an effort to open it up, enhance the home, beautify the home. And we sat down with our design team and came up with several different schemes that actually allowed us to do that. So this kitchen model is actually extremely unique. It's a common problem, but it is a unique solution. So the common problem when we're opening up walls is how to carry the load throughout the home. There's really only one way to do that, and that's to install a load-bearing header. So in this particular project, we actually installed a partially recessed header. One of the reasons why we install a partially recessed header is because generally speaking, we're able to effectively and efficiently carry the roof load without the utilization of steel. One of the downsides to using a partially recessed header is doesn't actually go all the way into the ceiling. As you can see, it drops a little bit. So one of the ways in which we actually make this a continuous look within the house and make it feel like its own designated space is by using crown molding. As you can see, we individually crowned the dining room and the kitchen, effectively making the header invisible. So not only does this create an absolutely amazing aesthetic, it's a cost-effective, value-engineered solution. I think projects like this are so successful under the LPS model because they fit into our design, build, furnish process. We're not just a contractor who builds, we're not just a retail store that sells. We are the company that walks the customer from inception to completed project seamlessly. We have project management on site and the designer on site every day, every other day, ensuring that the crews are absolutely 100% capturing all of the design attributes within the plan and make sure that the customer's expectations are met 100%.
So some of the custom features that were implemented into this design was putting the microwave into the island. Usually when you don't have the availability to put the microwave on the perimeter cabinets, they offer a drawer microwave that you can put inside the island to create a little bit more functionality throughout the space. The other upgrade that we did was putting them in a frameless line, which created more of a seamless look. What I really love about this finished space is the color coordination, to be honest. I love the rift cut white oak, I love the off-white, and I love how the floors, the walls, and even the other decorative features from what even Michael chose for his sofas really blends into the space. So by doing this type of concept, it develops a level of contrast of colors, but still gives a nice level of subtleness throughout the design.
My name is Michael Moncayo, and I was looking to open up the kitchen so that it had a more open space. One of the big factors of why I chose LPS is because of their tremendous showroom. They had different various manufacturers of cabinetry, so I was able to view the different styles and kind of envision what it would look like versus looking at a catalog. One of the biggest things, especially when undertaking a big project like this, making sure you find the right contractor. I interviewed a lot of different contractors, and one of the key points for me was making sure I'm able to communicate with the contractors because it's a long process. Charles and Louis and the team were very communicative with me from the beginning of the process to the end. As we undergo different challenges within the project, they're open to different suggestions, and they made this a reality. Yeah, no, I would absolutely recommend LPS. From top to bottom, the people were great, the workers were great. My overall experience was amazing, so would definitely recommend LPS.
From vision to reality, another beautifully finished project by LPS Direct. Ready to start yours? Let's build something amazing together.